We are Eco2Solar, the largest rooftop solar panel installation company in the UK. For decades, people have powered their homes using fossil fuels, which are harmful to the environment and cause devastating effects around the world. But now, it's time for change. It's time to make solar standard. Our mission is to power the homes of tomorrow with renewable, green technology today. It takes over 50 tonnes of CO2 to build an average UK home, and the typical household in the UK emits 2.7 tonnes of CO2 every year by heating their home. But by switching to solar energy, the homeowner's carbon footprint dramatically reduces. We believe that solar technology offers a cost-effective, simple way to limit the effects of climate change and to protect the planet for future generations. We work with the top house builders in the UK to develop sustainable homes to halt the process of climate change and to help future homeowners to reduce their carbon footprint. We only use solar from industry-leading manufacturers and pride ourselves on delivering on time and on budget every time. The super-efficient solar technology is proven to be durable, versatile, and will minimize waste and maximize energy usage, giving household developers the best possible solar energy solutions. All our solar installers are qualified and adhere to the strict guidelines laid out by our governing bodies, the Microgeneration Certification Scheme, also known as the MCS and the NIC EIC. So, when it comes to having your system fitted, you get expert tradespeople you can trust. We're driving change for a better, greener future. Join us in making a difference for generations to come and install solar PV at your new build development. Power the future with Eco2Solar.